would like to ask my Honorable Minister, as the answer is given, the present status of IT Hub at Chimbal and 2, I would like to know that when will this IT Hub actually start and be in operations?
स्पीकर सर, म्हणजे कलिगान बाब ग्लेनान सांगिल्ल्या प्रमाणे सुकूर, राजीव गांधी IT हॅबिटांनी आता तुवें आनी चिंबेल म्हणून स्पीकर सर, खंयचीय गजाल फुडें व्हरता आसतना आय थिंक वी नीड टू हॅव अ प्रॉपर पॉलिसी इन प्लेस, अ फोकस ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट, द इंटेंट ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट अँड वाय वी आर डुईंग अँड फॉर होम वी आर डुईंग. स्पीकर सर, हो सरकार येवच्या पयलीं फाटल्या सरकारान जवळ जवळ 2014 they took a decision to start with तुवें आनी चिंबला. Chimbel, the concept was of the IT park, and Tuve, it was of the electronic manufacturing cluster. ही सगळी आयडियाज फुडें वता आसतना जवळ जवळ 2015च्यान परत एक पॉलिसी म्हणून निर्माण करपाक प्रयत्न जालो, वीच रिमेन ओनली ऑन द पेपर. हो सरकार येवन स्पीकर सर, टुडे वी आर लुकिंग एट एम्प्लॉयमेंट एज अ फोकस एरिया, अ एरिया वीच आय थिंक ऑनरेबल CM has put a lot of focus on, आनी ताज्या खातीर IT इंडस्ट्रीक ब्रेन ड्रेन जावची न्हय, एक्झिस्टींग इंडस्ट्री फुडें सर्वायव जावपाक एक्सपान्शनाक तांकां चान्स मेळचो आनी नव्या इंडस्ट्रीक बऱ्या व्हडल्या लेबलांकूय येवचो, हे पळोवन इंडस्ट्री फुडें कशी व्हरची तातूंत IT पार्काचो आनी इलेक्ट्रॉनीक मॅन्युफॅक्चरींग क्लस्टराची संकल्पना फुडें व्हेल्ली आसा. इलेक्ट्रॉनीक मॅन्युफॅक्चरींग क्लस्टर इज ऑलरेडी अंडरगॉन प्लॉट डेव्हलपमेंट. जवळ जवळ म्हाका दिसता 15 प्लॉट एडमेजरींग टोटल ऑफ 2,73,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर्स आणि MIZ एरिया ऑफ 45 प्लॉट्स जवळ जवळ 28,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर्स हॅज बीन देअर इन द इलेक्ट्रॉनीक मॅन्युफॅक्चरींग क्लस्टर. टावन अँड कंट्री प्लॅनिंगा कडल्यान ऑलरेडी आमी पास करून घेतिल्ले आसा हे, आनी कन्वर्जनाक सद्या आसा. बजेटरी प्रोविजन आशिल्ल्या खातीर सनदा खातीर पे जाले जाल्यार वील बी हॅव्हिंग दीस इन प्लेस. IT पार्काच्या संदर्भात स्पीकर सर, टील डेट 2,69,890 स्क्वेअर मिटर्स ओनली वॉज अवेलेबल विथ अस. खंयची IT पार्क समज फुडें व्हरतलो भायल्या गांवांत समज पयले खंयच्या स्टेटान जाल्यार जवळ जवळ 150 एकर, 200 एकर, 250 एकर अशें दिल्ले जाता. गोवा वी हॅव अ स्पेस कन्स्ट्रेंट. तातूंतल्यान काम करतले कमींतल्या कमी आमकां कितली एरिया मेळटा जाल्यार एक 4.5 लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर तरी आसची. ताजे खातीर 2,69,000 हेल्थ एट ट्रान्सफर्ड, and with the initiative of Honorable CM and the help of Health Minister, म्हाका दिसता पयरच्या कॅबिनेटान 1,79,753 स्क्वेअर मिटर्स एडिशनल IT ट्रान्सफर जाल्ली आसा. सो लँड ट्रान्सफर हेज टेकन प्लेस. IT खातीर स्पीकर सर, वी हॅव मेड इट इंटू 3 parts. The whole IT park on a PPP model was a earlier concept which we have slightly changed. कित्याक सुरवात करता जाल्यार स्टार्टअप कित्याक काय म्हटल्यार दॅट इज द एरिया वेर वी कॅन क्रिएट जॉब्स, क्रिएट ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज अँड अलाव अ गोंयकार टू ग्रो. ताज्या खातीर स्टार्टअपाक फोकस दिल्ल्या खातीर एक एरिया स्टार्टअपाक, एक एरिया प्लॉट्स हॅव बीन डन, about 40 plots in a admeasuring 10 acres of the area, which will be given for new industries or existing industries to expand. उरिल्ली एरिया PPP मॉडेलाचेर वतली. हाज्या हातून स्पीकर सर, वी वील हॅव बोथ दीस थिंग्स इन प्लेस, आनी आय एक्सपेक्ट दॅट IT पार्क in the next 3 to 4 months, we should be able to allot plots. We should be able to start with the startup IT area and startup infrastructure. We should be able to start with that. As far as electronic manufacturing cluster is concerned, at Tuve, in the next 4 months is the target time for us to get into the market. And हे सगळे करपाक स्पीकर सर, 2 गजाल्यो I would like to tell my colleague. एक म्हणल्यार पॉलिसी आउटलाइन. स्टार्टअप पॉलिसी is already in place. Implementation to the scheme is something which was waiting. We have taken consultants on board, and before December end, the good news for the new year will be that the startup schemes will be in place with the help of our Honorable CM. And ह्यो schemes float करता आसतना आमकां एडिशनल सायडीक HROय गरज आसा. IT सुरवात केली खरी, पूण IT बॅकअप दिवपाक मनीस कमी आशिल्ले. Secretary, director, MD सोडले जाल्यार infrastructure is not there to group and give people. If you create a single window, जाल्यार single window we need to ensure that everybody comes at one point, applies and gets their thing going, because the government strongly believes in ease of doing business, and ease of doing business करता जाल्यार single window approach is required. हे हातून आमी human resource, creating a startup cell, a CEO for a cell, creating the other infrastructure of IT has also been put on a lot of focused, time-bound approach. And ताज्या खातीर म्हाका दिसता स्पीकर सर, मार्च पर्यंत, February to March पर्यंत the whole IT, HR, policy to scheme, आणि the areas for offering to the people of Goa and around will be in place. भायले व्हडले नवे इंडस्ट्रीज येवन आमकां गोंयकारांक जॉब मेळटले हे ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज पळोवन विल बी क्रिएटिंग दिस इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर.
Speaker, sir, I would like to ask the Honorable Minister whether all the schemes have been formulated and how many schemes will be there and whether the preference will be given to the Goans. Because, Speaker, sir, under the MOC, under SWAYAM, under Minister of Human Development, if you go online, there are almost quite a number of schemes. So on the same lines, will the IT Honorable Minister will do something like this type of scheme for the Goans and preference for the Goans, also for the people outside Goa?
Speaker, sir, the government of Goa believes in having a IT policy which is smart. S म्हणजे specific, M म्हणजे measurable, A म्हणजे attainable, R म्हणजे realistic, and T म्हणजे timely. This approach of smart on the IT sector is something which we are looking forward to. And ताज्या खातीर Speaker, sir, गोंयकारांक focus दिवपा खातीरूच, गोंयकारपण राखपाकूच ही IT policy has been given with a startup. The policy has been already online. I think most of my colleagues must have gone through it. Incentives which are given, Speaker, sir, and the policy which has been outlined is by sitting with the particular stakeholders of the industry. सरकारान खंयची पॉलिसी बसून तयार केल्ली ना. CMान स्वता म्हाका दिसता 40 ते 50 वरां आपली दिल्या आसतली personally to sit with us and ensure that along with the stakeholders of the industry, whether it is GITP, GTA, we have ensured that this policy is come in the offing. गोंयकारांक सपोर्ट करपाक, फ्रेशर्साक सपोर्ट करपाक, फ्रेशर्स म्हणजे द पीपल हू हॅव पास्ड आउट इन द लास्ट 2 years. इम्प्लिमेंटेशन जातकर तांकां सुद्दां समज कामाक कोण घेतलो जाल्यार सबसिस्टन्स अलावन्स म्हणजे तुका अलावन्स टू गीव देम सॅलरी 10,000 रुपया पर्यंत कॅप गव्हर्मेंट इज गिवींग अप टू 10,000 रुपीज डिपेंडींग. स्पिकर्स स्किम्स इतल्यो आउटलायन केल्ल्यो आसा, स्टॅम्प ड्युटीचेर केल्ली आसा, एम्प्लॉयमेंटाचेर केल्ली आसा, इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराचेर केल्ली आसा, IT एनीवेअर म्हणजे तूं खंयूय IT कर. रिइम्बर्समेंट वील बी ऑल्सो टुवर्ड्स युअर इंटरनेट एंड अदर चार्जीस वीच स्पिकर्स अशी पयलीं केन्ना जाल्ली ना. And I think it was only because of our active support from our CM that we have been able to get this to this stage in a very short time of 9 months. I can assure you that Goans will be given priority and his scheme जी केल्ली आसा outline is to avoid the brain drain which is presently happening. कित्याक खुबश्यो मेल्स येता स्पिकर सर गोंयकारांच्यो भायर आसात त्यो की जाणटी आवय बापायक पळोवपाक आमकां येवपा जाय. वी वॉन्ट टू कम एंड गीव बॅक समथींग एज अ सन ऑफ द सॉयल बट वी हॅव नो ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज म्हणून. I think this IT policy will take care of a lot of things which will be in the interest of Goans at large.
Sri Rajesh Patnikar.
Just I want to know from the minister regarding the proposed ITO which was supposed to be taken place at Donapala, that issue is over or not, or whether the plots were allotted to the different companies were taken back or not. Just give the present status.
Speaker sir, they already एक bill separate move केल्लें फाटल्या टर्मा वेळार. And under that bill, whichever plots, बाकीचे कितें आसले सगळे issue clear करून that whole land was back to the government of Goa. That everything has been paid from IT, Speaker sir, with the loan of EDC. So there is nothing, the land is freehold and the government has taken a decision to go ahead with the convention center in the same place.
Sri Kalus Almeida.
I would like to ask the Minister, Speaker, sir. Two things, Speaker, sir. Ek is, how many jobs will be created at Chimbal and Tue? And Speaker, sir, second, I want to inform the Minister, Speaker, sir. IT students who are passing out are actually jobless in Goa. In my constituency, at least 5 or 6 students I can show, Speaker, sir. And Speaker, sir, then even I've seen students going to work to Hyderabad, to Pune, to Bangalore, Speaker, sir. I want to ask the Minister, Speaker, sir, like, what steps he's going to take to arrest these drains, Speaker, sir.
Speaker, sir, policy jenna जाग्यार ना, scheme jenna जाग्यार ना, then you don't expect wonders to happen. As of today, with the last data that we have and through the help of GTA type of association which have computer people in that association, Jawar Speaker, sir, I can say that in Goa we have roughly about 81 companies registered under IT. 1159 are the total employment, out of which 884 are Goans. Roughly about 76% Goans are already existing in industries in Goa in the IT sector. But nevertheless, Speaker, sir, skill development plays a big area of focus. MOOC जे आम्ही मॅसिव्ह ऑनलाईन कोर्सेस हाडल्या, दिस पर्टिक्युलर संकल्पना जी आम्ही फुडें घेवन वचून सोदता इज बेसिकली टू क्रिएट दीस ब्रिज बिटवीन इन्फॉर्मेशन पुअर आनी इन्फॉर्मेशन रीच. तांकां स्पिकर सर बरें नॉलेज मेळची म्हणून आमी मुकाचे ऑनलायन कोर्सेस संकल्पना फुडें व्हेल्ली आसा. वी आर हॅव्हिंग स्कील डेव्हलपमेंट कोर्सीस इन ट्रेनिंग कोर्सीस फ्रॉम basics to diplomas already happening in the 9 constituencies, which also includes your Vasco, through one of these empaneled agencies, which are already training students. So, ek word in speaker, sir, we are continuously ensuring that upgradation of skills is happening. Second side, through other department, through industries, through labor and employment, we are looking at opportunities, how to do this skill gapping by giving them a particular opportunity in an industry. ही सगळी चालू असताना स्पीकर सर, आय कॅन ओनली से दॅट तूं या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग क्लस्टरान जे इंडस्ट्रीज येतल्यो त्या इंडस्ट्रींक ऑलरेडी आमी अंडर CSR सांगिल्ले आसा द इंडस्ट्रीज वूड लायक टू कम टू एन्श्योर दॅट आवर पीपल नॉट ओनली इन द इंजिनियरिंग सेक्टर but where there is a skill gap that they will have to ensure they are taken under skill training for their industries to be trained for that. And the target is around 3,000 to 4,000 as far as the electronic manufacturing cluster is concerned for Goan employment. As far as Chimbel is concerned, Speaker Sir, the target is roughly about 4,000 to 5,000 to create. Idea is to have minimum 100 startups in the next 5 years. Idea is to create at least 2 lakh square feet of incubation space. ह्यो सगळो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तयार करतकूच मेळटलें एम्प्लॉयमेंट. आमी एम्प्लॉयमेंट खंय आसा कित्याक वता काय म्हणच्या पेक्षा लेट अस हॅव अ प्रोएक्टिव्ह अप्रोच एंड आय एम शुअर विथ द स्टांस द गव्हर्मेंट इज टेकन विथ द पॉलिसीज वी आर आउटलायनिंग स्पीकर सर आय एम 100% शुअर की द इमिजिएट ब्रेन ड्रेन विल स्टॉप एंड वी विल ऑल्सो अट्रॅक्ट द अदर पीपल टू कम बॅक टू गोवा.
Speaker sir.
Sri
Wait.
Reginaldo Lawrence.
No, Speaker sir, I just want to ask.
Because supplementary.
Eko Speaker sir, one question.
Because supplementary
Only one.
matter.
No, Speaker sir, still like no important topic, Speaker. Because like Speaker sir, I want to ask the Minister, Speaker sir, in Goa, Speaker sir, for like IT students who pass out, no, they are paying them less salaries compared to Pune, Bangalore, and Hyderabad. Speaker, I want the Minister at least to try and Speaker find out with these companies why they are paying less salaries to Goa, Speaker sir.
Speaker sir, less salary म्हणच्या पेक्षा I think the salaries for startups are what we are creating through the policy will be in par with the industries. If a industry setup is coming with a startup which is employing minimum 60% Goans, 25% of the salary will be reimbursed to the scheme. When we are creating these schemes for the industry, Speaker sir, we can expect these things to settle. You cannot compare a market which is non-existent in Goa. So when we are trying to be a preferred destination for IT, other than tourism and other areas of economy, we are saying IT is the brand. Brand Goa has to also have IT as a brand. That when we are trying to create, म्हाका दिसता सगळे ecosystem जेन्ना तयार जातली, with government going with the ease of doing business by enabling IT platforms, it is a win-win situation for the industry, for the people who are employed, and the government for providing G2C services.
Alex Reginald.
Speaker sir, I would ask the Honourable Minister, central government announced startups. And in that startups, there were applications from Goans in that startup. Have you bothered to find out whether they have been accommodated? And second is, bandwidth, have you found out whether you have got all infrastructure in place? Have you found out whether you have a cyber cell crime in place? Because all these things will be involved in having your startups done properly. These startups, those who have applied, have still not been given place. Will you accommodate them if they are not given, and will you give them a preference? I want to ask you.
Speaker sir, म्हाका ऑनरेबल माझ्या कलिगाचे प्रश्न म्हाका कळूना, पूण तरी I'll try and
No,
interpret what he has done.
I'll explain to you.
Specific.
तू उलयला मरा उलयता. Startup
उलवना
India.
म्हटल्या उपरांत तो परत विचारतलो.
Startup India is a policy document.
समजलं तर परत विचारता तू अंडरस्टँड
कळलं आता बाबू आता कळलं
Startup
ताका.
India is a document which has been created. Startup जे आम्ही policy तयार केल्या, every state is expected to have its own policy and schemes. IT anywhere concept under this startup will take care of the person who wants to start anywhere in Goa. The Startup India थंय वचून कितें apply केला ते म्हाका समज दाखयलें जाल्यार will be good enough to understand what you are talking about, because I don't know, because Atal Yojana बाकीचे two tinkering labs which people apply, that is a direct scheme if he fits into that scheme. They don't need Goa government for it. They don't need a sanction from Goa government. They have to apply there. If they are into that scheme, they will get a direct, like a lot of colleges have taken incubators through Atal tinkering जिल्ह्यातून. ती तांच्या अंडर नीती आयोग असो कोणी असो, it is a center to that institution, center to that people if they fit into the scheme. So there is nothing that what we can do. We can do and deliver through our policy and schemes which are being outlined. Number two, Speaker sir, cyber cell, बाकीचे तो म्हणता is not related to startup. It is the overall infrastructure of the state. Overall requirement of the vertical which we need to ensure is in place. Honorable CM already the initiatives given cyber security 112 तरेची संकल्पना already are been driving. I think by the next assembly session we'll be able to give you much more input than where we stand today.
Because if it's
Sir,
not required, if it's not required in
You ask specific.
specific questions, startups and there have been applications who have applied and who have not. There are Goan companies who have applied, who have not got. I've asked you, will you accommodate them in case they are left out? You just say yes or no.
Yes.
Because
Okay.
One second. And if you say that you don't know what is happening, since I brought the issue, try to find out. Otherwise, I'll give you some papers where somebody has applied and not given you. So that
Because,
सभासद
because Honorable colleague, समज कोणे details हाडून दिल्या, they need any assistance. We are there to provide any assistance from, if they want towards the center, if we can help, we will help using the office of our Honorable CM. ना जाल्यार गोंया समज आसा आमची जी own policy आसा, we will, if they fit into that, we will accommodate. कित्याक startup is defined. Startup is a company which is within 7 years, should not have a turnover of more than 25 crores. There are criteria of being a startup. A origin, a local, a Goan is identified. And ताज्या खातीर speaker sir, startup policy मातशी honorable colleague वाचून घेवची. Lot of things will be cleared in his.